Hi, this is Doug and Cindy with Elder Law Practice 5cast. Thanks for joining in today. Today we're going to answer the question, what is recoupment? Recoupment, that's sort of an interesting word, isn't it?
Yes.
So before we've talked about exempt assets, and one of the exempt assets is your home. And so what can we do with the home if we're applying for Medicaid?
Okay, so if you're going to apply for Medicaid benefits to pay for long-term care, we have exempt assets and non-exempt assets. The home, you can choose to exempt it and say, I intend to return home, so the amount of the value of the house is not counted in all of your resources. You just take it off the table. You could qualify for Medicaid much quicker if you're spending down or doing other transfers. Just set the house aside and say, I intend to return home. But if you don't do any other planning with that house, when you die, the state will have a lien on the house, and when it's probated, they receive notice that it's being probated, and they want their money back that they paid for your long-term care, dollar for dollar. So,
and they don't recoup every time. They have the option to recoup, which, like Cindy said, it's just a matter of them filing a lien in probate court on the house, and when the house sells, the state gets paid first to compensate them or partially compensate them for money that they paid out for your mom or dad's long-term care. So it happens in some cases. If the family wants to protect the home, then other planning needs to be done to protect it from recoupment. So one issue that can arise, a lot of times it catches people off guard, because a lot of times the kids didn't see that train wreck coming. They didn't know. All they knew was mom qualified for Medicaid, and they didn't know that the state had the right to recoup on the home after mom dies.
yeah.
So
if it's a home that's been in the family for generations and generations, certainly I would exempt it in the very beginning, but I would also do more planning to make sure that it can pass on to the family members who may want to own that house again in the future. So you need to do more than just say, I want to exempt it and intend to return home.
So for more information on how to protect assets from long-term care expense, check out the description below. And thank you for joining us today on this video. We hope to see you again on a future video.
And have a great day.